Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again guys with another amazing recipe for you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe and blessed as always. Guys, I'm gonna make my amazing plum cake today guys. So I'll show you guys my amazing plum cake recipe. We're just gonna jump right in and get it going right now. Alright? So guys, this is what I'm working with right here. These for the topping guys. All this stuff right here is for the topping. Right here guys, I got brown sugar, which is 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar right here guys. And then I got all-purpose flour, which is 3 tablespoons over here. I got a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of allspice mix there guys. So that's what I'm working with, and plus 1/4 cup of butter. That's gonna be the topping. All right. And then for the rest of the mix, I got 2 eggs. I got a teaspoon and a half of vanilla right there. I got this is a baking powder I'm using for the flour. All this gonna go inside. That's just 1 teaspoon guys of the baking powder right there. And I got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I got a 1/2 cup of milk right there guys, and I got a cup of sugar right here, which is the granulated sugar. All right, so that's what we're using on the plums. It's just 8 plums I'm using. We're gonna cut them in half, and that's what we're using. And guys, I'm gonna show you the butter gotta be room temperature right here. All right, so make sure you get your butter down to room temperature, and it's only 1/2 cup of butter right here. All right. So guys, we're gonna jump in and we're gonna get this amazing plum cake going right now. All right. So guys, right now I'm starting off with the topping. Okay, we're gonna make the topping and set it aside. This is the butter for the topping. I just took it out of the fridge because I want it nice and cold. I'm gonna put the brown sugar right in here. So the butter was 1/4 cup guys, and the sugar, brown sugar, is 1/3 of a cup. And right here we have the teaspoon of cinnamon, and I got a 1/2 teaspoon of mixed spices there. Pour that inside. Just gonna start out mixing this low. We're gonna add the 3 tablespoons of flour inside here. Actually 2 tablespoons guys, 2 tablespoons of flour. So guys, that's the topping right here. Just gonna set this aside for later. All right, we're gonna get the rest of our mixture going. Okay guys, we're gonna start mixing right now. Right here I'm gonna start out with the get the butter inside here. So that's a 1/2 cup of room temperature butter right here guys. Make sure your butter is room temperature. All right. Beautiful. Then guys, we're gonna put in our cup of sugar right here. And we're gonna start mixing this together. So guys, it's nice and fluffy right now. We're just gonna add the eggs inside. So it's 2 eggs guys. I'm just gonna add 1 at a time. All right. Okay guys, we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla right now. So that's a bit beautiful. Okay guys, right now we're gonna deal with the flour. This is the flour right here, and we're gonna put in the baking powder and the salt. All right, So let's add that right in there. I know the salt is just a quarter of a teaspoon of salt right there. And the baking powder is just 1 teaspoon. Just add that to the flour, and we're gonna sieve our flour and mix it right in. Beautiful. All right, so that's our flour there, guys. So we're gonna go right back to our mixture right here. We're gonna start adding the flour, small amount at a time, and we're gonna mix that right in. The milk gonna go in with that as well. All right, so let's get that going, guys. That's pretty much done, guys. Yep. The moment you put your flour in, guys, you don't want to overmix, so make sure you don't mix it too long after you had the flour. All right, so guys, we're gonna get our pan, we're gonna get the batter inside, and we've got our plums here already washed and cut in half. So let's go arrange that. All right, so guys, our pan is greased right here. I'm just gonna add the batter right inside. Guys, the batter worked out perfect. It's beautiful. I was putting this recipe together, guys, and I had a little doubt, so maybe it's not gonna work. But hey, look at this. Right amount for the pan. Works out perfect. I'm just gonna spread it. And this is a 9-inch pan that I'm using here, guys, spring foam pan. And guys, our plum, we're gonna add these to it right now. We just turn the cut side up. You just spread them right around. Beautiful. So guys, we're just gonna add the topping on right now. What it looks like, pretty, eh? All right. Okay guys, this is what it looks like right here. We're gonna get it in the oven right now. It's at 350. takes roughly about an hour to bake, guys. So as soon as it come out, we're gonna have some amazing plum cake. All right. So guys, the cake came out beautiful, guys. The amazing plum cake came out beautiful, guys. This is it right here. I'm just gonna let it sit and cool, guys, and we're gonna cut it later, and we'll have some plum cake. So guys, it's time to reveal the goodness from this cake right here. It's looking beautiful, ain't it, guys? Really nice. It turns out beautiful, guys. This is the amazing plum cake right here, guys. It's looking so delicious, guys. That's what we call love. We put the love in it. What I'm gonna do, guys, is just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over this, to make it look a little bit more prettier than it is. All right. So guys, that's how you do it. Sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over it, guys. Looking beautiful. So guys, right now I got a sauce that I could have put on it, guys. A nice topping to go on it, but I really don't want another sweetness. It's iced in sugar and milk, and I could make a glaze, I should say, guys. There's a glaze that I normally put over it, but I won't even bother with the glaze today. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna have some later. All right. So guys, I want to say thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, guys, and subscribe to this channel, guys. Keep on sharing the love, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.